Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still very clearly calling this a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're most likely in a wave 3 that is not over. I'm still looking at the 161.8 fib extension before we make a wave 4 and a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think it's very clear this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is subdivisions of a wave 3. Most likely it's a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and now we're in a wave 5 of 3, which I think will take it up to about the 2550, right around the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So keeping all that in mind, heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that the wave 4 is over. I was originally calling this an A, B, C, D, E, which is probably what it is. Either way, whatever you call it, I think it's a wave 4. I think this is the end of a wave 3 over here, and I think we're in a wave 5 right now. If this really is a wave 5, then most likely it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and keep on trending up. We are at a Fibonacci retracement of the last push down right now, which may be an area of resistance, but if anything, it's probably just going to cause a pullback on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, 4 hour time frame, we have a Fibonacci level right here, so it may be an area of a little bit of a bigger pullback. Maybe, maybe not. Definitely keeping an eye on these Fibonacci levels for three-way pullbacks and impulsive moves up. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely keeping a very close eye on these Fibonacci levels. I'm looking for 1, 2. Kind of looks like we're already in the third wave. I was kind of thinking that maybe it was going to go down a little more and try to grab some of the liquidity in these big candles right here. Maybe end up looking something like that. But whether it decides to go up at the 38 or whether it decides to make a deeper correction like to the 61 or the 78, I definitely think we'll be able to recognize it. We should be able to see like a double bottom at a fib level, a nice break of structure, signifying that the correction most likely is over, and then we're back into an uptrend, which it definitely could do right here at the 38%, or it possibly could go down and make a bigger pullback. Either way, I definitely think we'll recognize it, and I definitely think we'll be ready to go long when the opportunity arises. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.